entire tournament. Is that undefeated, played hard, 13-year-old World Series champs. Come on.
Washington!
Mark, one more time.
As soon as we're done with your awards, so I'm going to give these off to maybe an assistant coach. Nice. And what we're going to do, we believe, but you guys come all the way up here, you played your hearts out. We want each of you to have a chance to be recognized.
Go, Ryan!
Wait.
Hey, first of all, I'd like to get a little shout out for the state of Washington.
Woo!
And thanks for your support. Appreciate it. Safe travels back.
Thank you, Sam.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
You can go now, Ryan.
Rylan Kern.
Good boy, Ryan.
Nick Bowersock.
Boy, Nicky.
Tanner One-Arm Lane. Alex Behrman.
Boy, B.
Barney.
Ethan Paul.
Way to go, Ethan.
Ethan Clements.
Way to go, Ethan.
Big cat.
Mitchell Morimoto.
Yeah, boy, Mitchie.
Domo arigato,
Joe Longcourt.
Mr. Roboto.
Connor Johnson. William Mansfield.
Good job, William.
Big Willie.
First Handy.
Compton.
Keegan Ogar.
Whose dad's a photographer?
Way to go, Ty.
Coach Clements.
Yeah, Bill.
Bill.
Coach Kerr.
Way to go, Coach Kurt. Mike.
Coach Mark Gibson.
Hey.
All right. Thank you. You guys played awesome. Thank you, parents, coaches.
Good job, boys.